remember bedtime stories, but I also used to go for walks with him. I remember walking with him and his holding my hand, and we would sometimes go out for breakfast together, and we would go to this soda fountain that was nearby. And I do very strongly remember his buying me, of all things, it was always a special occasion, something that was called Vacation Funnies, which were these sort of thick comic books, like for the summer, for summer reading for kids. So they were thicker than regular comic books, as well as classic comics, which was a big thing then, and buying me milkshakes. And it's a very special memory. Anyway, it was just, I don't remember the exact timbre of his voice, but I remember the act of his speaking very well, and the look on his face, and how he looked when he told me, and his tenderness, and the way his mind worked. And also he talked a lot about his, both his Yiddish life outside of the house, and the Cafe Royal, which was a huge Yiddish meeting place in the Yiddish theater district over on 2nd Avenue, where he talked about going often, and with and without my mother, I think, and meeting other Yiddish writers and Yiddish theater people. So that was very exciting to me.